Hey, what's up, guys? Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's
Um,
great.
hey, what's up? I'm Don Perry.
I'm Sucheta, and our game is called How
How
Now
now, brown
Brown
cow?
Cow. So basically, our game is inspired from our travels while we studied abroad this past spring semester in Spain. And it's a scavenger hunt around Europe. And the player is tasked to find specific items and specific cities around Europe while still having their budget intact. So let's go through the game. So, how now, brown cow? You can view some instructions. If there's any uncertainty, start. Let's use Dunham's name. Okay. Dunham, what skill do you have? And
Spanish. Put that at fluent, and then
oh
no
wow.
skill in everything else.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay.
So
So,
those language skills will help you talk to locals to get hints about where certain items are, and your language skill will let you get more out of the conversation. The higher skill you have than if you had a low skill.
so yeah, initially there's a list of collectibles or items you want to find. So this player was tasked with these five items to find. So we can start with the Mona Lisa, for example. And from my understanding, that's at the Louvre in Paris. So where are we right now? Oh, we're in Lisbon. Okay. So we need to get to Paris. So let's move to the airport. Okay, now we're at the airport. And let's buy a flight ticket to Paris. Paris,
Well,
woohoo.
yeah.
So, Dunham, where do you think the Mona Lisa would be out of all of
Uh,
the
the
locations?
Louvre.
Oh, you're so smart. Okay. Let's go to the Louvre and let's search and see if it's there. Oh, awesome.
We
We
got
found
it.
it. Wow, we're so
Oh,
smart. And then you can see in the goals that it's checked off your item list. So let's do that for the remaining four. So what should we go for next?
let's do the Tinto de Verano. Just
Okay.
do the next one.
Sounds Spanish to me, so
Yeah, let's go to somewhere in Spain.
it looks like we have two cities in Spain, so we have to go back to the airport in order to move. So,
Let's go to Barcelona.
okay, sounds good.
Cool. And we don't know where this is, so let's talk to some locals, see if we can get some insight.
Hola, it's the drink of Sevilla. Oh,
Yeah.
we're just in the wrong city. Okay. But good thing we're at the airport so we can move fast. Let's go to Sevilla. Okay. Now, it's probably not at the language center, but what about La Seta? Or
No, no.
no, it wouldn't be
It's
there.
at the Alcazar.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Let's search here.
Oh, wow. I guess Dunham was wrong. Okay. Let's see. I guess the only place here is
Bar. We got it.
woohoo,
Nice.
two of the
Cool.
five. Mm, okay, so now can of sardines. I don't know, but I think Portugal is famous for their seafood. So
Yeah.
uh, let's go back to the airport in Sevilla. And Lisbon is the capital of Portugal. So yeah, now we have a bunch of different locations we can check in
Hmm.
Lisbon.
Let's I don't know where it could be, so let's try to talk to some locals.
Okay.
See, we don't speak any Portuguese,
We don't.
right?
So all
Let's
we
go to the
got is
language center.
I.
See if we can
Improve our
study.
Portuguese.
Yeah, let's study a little bit. Okay, we're now at moderate skill. Moderate skill.
Okay, now let's
Go to the
talk.
skills menu. See let's see what we're at now. Okay,
Oh,
we're at moderate skill. Okay. Okay.
uh,
Those-
my bad. Okay, let's go here. So now that we have a moderate skill, do we want to see what the hint?
Yeah, let's see. Of Portugal. Those are the only words we know with our moderate skill. So that doesn't tell us too much. But
Should we go back to the language center or should we just try our
what
luck?
should I guess? What do you think's a word for sardines? And
That's a good question. I'm gonna guess here. And this is just a crazy guess.
crazy. We got it.
Wow, we're so
Sardine.
smart. Okay, let's see. Oh, gladiator sword. I would assume that would be somewhere in Rome.
Hmm. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, let's go there. Hmm. Oh, bet only $30.
So probably the Colosseum, huh?
Yeah, I don't see where else it'd be.
Yay.
Yay. Okay, just one more, and we still have $150.
Yeah.
Mug of
Wow.
beer.
Germans love their beer.
Oh, that is very true. But Munich, Berlin. Let's go to Munich because it's closer.
Yep.
Hmm. Oh, $40. Well, if I had to guess, Oktoberfest, isn't that a celebration of beer? Or
Sure
they drink
is.
beer? Okay, let's just go over there. Mm, Wow, I
Yay.
think that's everything.
That's it. We got our little stats of the number of times we studied, moved, and whatnot. Nice. Cool.
Awesome. So
Um,
I think Denham's just gonna go through the actual code of the game.
yeah, so we have our engine class. In order to do all the graphics, we did stuff with JFrame, which was kind of a steep learning curve. I used all these like render classes with enums as controllers. So depending on which screens were selected, I would render different things, um, resetting and re-rendering along the way. So the engine class is very, very big with things like making panels and then rendering them. Um, as for our different strategies, we have a command strategy with these four different commands. So moving between cities, searching landmarks, studying languages, and talking to locals. For our strategy skill, we used like your different fluency rates, and you would get different hints depending on how fluent you are. So fluent, you'd get all the hint. Moderate, you'd get about 50%. No skill, you get 0. We have different map types for the different types of locations. For example, language centers, you can learn languages. Travel centers, you can go different places. Um, our observers, our observer pattern consists of this game data object with these events as well as these stats. Um, and the logger basically compiles all the events and then prints them out at the end of the game. And then your tracker is in charge of all these different stats. And then our decorator, it just, when you talk to locals, it says hello in front of for each language that you're in. Um, so that's pretty cool. Um, yeah, different collectibles. So Chetta, do you want to show the logger text file that showed up in your code?
Um, sure.
Because it'll just have all the
Yeah.
events. Yeah, so this just keeps track of all the events that happened during the game. Um, yeah, yeah. I think that's about it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Oh, thank you. Cool. Bye bye.
Bye.